Deep in the quiet countryside of Tipperary, hidden behind long avenues of trees and rolling fields, stands one of Ireland's most fascinating forgotten mansions, Killcooley Abbey House, a place where grandeur, disaster and decline weave together into a story unlike any other. The tale begins in the late 1700s. The Barker family, wealthy, ambitious and eager to make their mark, decided to build a great country house on their Killcooley estate. For years, they had lived in adapted rooms inside the old medieval abbey nearby, but that was no longer enough. The age of Georgian elegance demanded something new, something impressive, and so Killcooley House was born, a stately mansion set in sweeping parkland, with lakes, gardens, stables and miles of woodland surrounding it, a symbol of status, a declaration of power. But in 1839, everything changed. A devastating fire tore through the house. Flames consumed walls, ceilings, and the very heart of the home. For a time, the family retreated back to the abbey, forced once again into its ancient stone halls. Yet Killcooley refused to die. In 1843, the mansion rose from the ashes, rebuilt larger, grander, and more dramatic than before. New wings, a sweeping flight of granite steps, and inside, a breathtaking double-height entrance hall crowned by a glazed dome that flooded the space with light. Timber paneling, ornate fireplaces, and an elegant gallery circling the hall transformed the interior into a showcase of Victorian pride. Room flowed into room. Bedrooms overlooked the abbey, and deep below, the old kitchen and servants' quarters kept the great house running like clockwork. Through marriage, the estate passed from the Barkers to the Ponsonby family, who turned Killcooley into a lively sporting estate. Horses were trained here, parties were held here, generations came and went beneath its high ceilings and echoing corridors, but time is relentless. By the late 20th century, the great estates of Ireland were fading. Killcooley House was no exception. Ownership changed hands, the cost of upkeep grew, and eventually the grand mansion was left silent. For more than a decade it sat empty, its once splendid rooms darkening with damp and decay. Paint peeled, floors sagged, and the magnificent entrance hall, once the pride of the estate, fell into shadow. Today, Killcooley Abbey House stands between past and future, a sleeping giant of Irish heritage, waiting for the moment when its doors might open again, and its story, centuries in the making, can continue. This is Killcooley Abbey House, a legacy carved in stone, and a reminder that even the quietest places have the most powerful stories. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe to my channel. It would be greatly appreciated.